immediate feedback from people and the community. So that's really challenging because now you're being tested. And this is something you might work on for years and put your soul into, and then you put it out, and then some idiot will. And it's the most human. The most human thing is that there'll be 200 great comments, and then you'll read the 201st comment. Someone wrote a critical thing about you, and it could be pretty accurate, and you know it. And then you'll forget all the 200 things which were nice things people said about you, and you'll focus on the 201st. So no, that's just everybody does that. So, so you just. There are many steps to doing that. I think the best approach is put your art out and move on to the next piece of art immediately. Don't even bother with the engagement of people in it. I mean, focus on making sure it gets out there, marketing, all that stuff, making art for art, more art, and all that stuff. But as far as being an artist, I think you want to be in the spaces where you have to have your people who you listen to and you get good feedback from, and you go to your shows and you really perform your music there and work on that and work on your art. And I think there's no need to be scared. The only reason you can be scared is because you're afraid of criticism. And I mean,